ngicela niphawule kuloko ngani zakwethu.
Alright bafowethu ukuthi phakathi azangisezwe umbono wami ke kule topic engathanda la ukusho ukuthi mhlambe makungenziwa yabo ukuthi nosisi bethu mhlambe nabantu besifazane ebuningini babo kwenziwe lezinto nje abanokuyenza lezi ukuthi i-false accusation ayifuneki nanomuntu makalele naye azovuka kusasa abalekele police station ukuthi yabo
ngiyeza mani ngithula kancane
amalona
ngiyacela please ngimameli mangithula kancane ufuna ukuthini
izinto abazenzayo benza ama-gender based violence against women and children which is a good initiative ne but ama-rights wabesilisa esikhathini esiningi abawalandeleli kahle ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi manje nabo sesiyabantu angisho i-50-50 makuzothiwa 50-50 kumele ibalance equation engathi manje mawuzosuka wena umuntu wesilisa uthi umfazi uyakabuse endlini angeke babhale same time ukuthi kwenzakalani uhle kwaqala yabo intweni ezikanjalo so ama programs nje milana nokuthi mhlamba ama right wabantu abesilisa mhlambe kube nama initiative kanjalo nama mental what distress mental tonton yabo because inkinga isukeleka kahle emqondweni womuntu ukuthi umuntu nasekukhuleni kwakhe yabo kwasanasey'kolweni benza ukuthi mhlambe kube nama classes ukuthi manje umntana umfana bamkhulisa kanjani kube nama program kanjalo angazi-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi niyangizwa
Kuzwakele Oxman. Ngicela ukunikeza uSisinana ichance. Sisinana, hello.
Ninjani?
Sikhona njani?
Siyaphila
Ngiyaphila. Nami ngiyaxolisa nje ukuthi ngifike sewuphakathi ngoba nje ngithe mangibona ngoba sengikusevile ukuthi mawukuma live ingene. So ngifike sokuphakathi sengizwile udaba la today ukuthi uxoxa ngendaba ye-rape nokuhlukumezeka kwabantu. Kodwa ke ngoba besengilive bengizocela ukubonga ngendlela osakha ngayo mfethu. Ngizobonga as a single parent ukuthi ubuhlungu engibuzwayo. Khona into ebengifuna ukuyidlulisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga maso ihlelile bhuti bengicela nenze i-topic about ozakwenu. Nginengane nozakwenu ngisaba ukusho ijele akusebenzela kulona. Ubhuti nginengane naye ngamcela ngathi ngicela ungisize ngengane. Wathi kumina hayi siswethu awungitshele kahle-ke wena iy'ntanga zakho nazi yalapha ziyagibela itaxi namabhasi ziyosebenzela iy'ngane zayo wona ulokhu nakana nami ngathi hayi mfowethu asincedisane ngengane. Cut the story short bhuti ubhuti ngamthatha ngamisa e-maintenance court ngamtshela ngathi ngizoza ejele lakho ngathi ngifike ejele usebenze ofisini yena ngacela umphathi wakhe ukuthi angizanga la kuzomphoqa phakathi kwabazakwabo ngizocela nje angisize ngengane. Wasewathi okay abasathanda ukuthi nina mangabe ningondla ingane isilwele ejele ngoba khona okoza kwenu intombazane yafika yazombophisa ukuthi akawondla ingane wamdubula engasegedini esangweni. So ngiyaxolisa ngalokho ngicela ukumdecline lo muntu. So manje ngiyacela ukuthi ngicela nisizeni bafowethu ngozakwenu bayasihlukumeza. Ngithe ngimcela ukuthi akangisize ngengane ingane isikhulile iyenza 20 years. Uyangidelela.
Ngicela ubamba kancane mama ne. Ngicela nje ungibambele kancane. Ncane. Short money. Shapuzi.
Right or usebhezi
But lalela ngiyitholile imessage ngizokubamba ngecable. Yeah.
ngipela ngisanye straight lady ngifuna endlini
Oh alright. But
nje kwamanje qeda lokho yani mina akuvulwanga la
awucheck bengingaka-check.
sengiqedela but nangibuya nje nginezo 10 minutes then bese ngizothi
Alright akuna flop hot man. Sure. Sister ngaqhubeka.
Umuntu ukuthi nje ukuthi igebengu sesisichazele ngaso nathi sicela unesakheni ngozakweni abangafuni ukukhulisa izingane zabo in the right way abafuna ukukhulisa izingane ngenkantolo wabuya ubhuti kimi mase ngimfaka enkantolo wathi lengane akusenga ufuna iDNA test wawukhokha lo 2500 cash abuyile ama results 99.99 greater than akafuni still ukondla ingane ngenze njani ke ngoba noma siye HR umphathi uthi hayibo kuyihlazo sisi ungibeke eceleni so ngicela ukuthi ngelinye ilanga nike nisikhuzele ozakwenu ukuthi bafowethu asikhuliseni izingane ngoba sizoyithatha le ngane siningazonto izobuye zibe la ejele ngenxa yabo ngoba ingane yakhe uyayibona so sengisho ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngelinye ilanga nisikhuzele ozakwenu amaphoyisa ngoba lo wami wenze necriminal law uye umphathi omkhudlana lapha kule jele engeke ngisabukulisho ngoba mhlawumbe ukulalela so ngizocela lokho ukuthi ingane zethu zingase zingene emajele ngenxa ye maintenance ngoba uyasebenza ubhuti uhamba kahle impilo ufaka itike eziwu4 ugcwele kodwa nje akafuni ukungisiza mangize ejele ngiyahlukumezeka mangisemgwaqeni ngiyamsaba ngoba uhlala ephethe isibhamu ande mina ngibhema ngiphuza ibhuti lengane angafuni ukuyodla ina 20 years yenza u30 year welaw ngebhathi ngafaka yena ekubeni ukuthi ingane siyethu sobabili angikwazi ukuthola inasifasi ingane efanele ngehle ngenyuka ngizama ukuyihlanganisela ukuthi mayizogreda noma yenza nayo ilaw so sengisho ukuthi ukuze ingane zethu zingahlukumezeki masinibona babona obaba abaqotho njengawo ngoba naye uyakulandela ukuthi hawu nangu baba uNkomondo uyayazi ukuyiphila impilo kodwa ubaba ngenze njani ngithi ngelinye ilanga ngizomcela ubaba uNkomondo ukuthi akasidalulele nalokho makuthola ithuba baba usikhulumele nozakweni ngoba nisebenza ngesikhali siyanisaba siyanihlonipha ngomsebenzi ngiyabonga
hayi ngizwile ma siyabonga Sithandwa noma ubani lo phezulu Sithandwa hello
Sanibonani ngizwakala
yebo
ninjani
ngiyakuzwa manje siyaphila njani
Ngiyaphila siyabonga bhuti yazi nge-live siyajabula nokubona isakhamuzi esifana nawe esisihlanganisa kuma platforms afana nabo TikTok ukukhulumela esihlokweni sakho sanamhlanje mayelana ngokuhlukumezeka kwabantwana angeke ngithiwa amantombazana noma abafana ngoba ukuhlukumezeka ebantwaneni siyazi ukuthi imedia iphusha njengokuthi mhlawumbe abantwana ama victims into enzima bhuti and edinga iattention kakhulu when it comes to thina ama families ngina 38 years mina ngokwe age and kudala izinto zokuhlukumezeka ezenzeka emakhaya whether umalume bekuba into ezifihlwayo lezo uthi uma ukhuluma ngayo kube ngathi hlazo ukabona and makuba ngathi ihlazo the person ohlukumezekile uye bekasaba manje ukukhuluma ngalento shukuthi akhulume ngeexperience yakhe that is why bothola abantwana basaba ukukhuluma ngalezi zinto lezi ukuthi umalume ungibambe kanje uyabona into ezinjalo so I think iqala ekhaya ukuthi sisho ufundise umntwana wintombazana noma umfana ukuthi if umuntu ukubamba kanje akusiyinto eright ungasabi ukuza kimi ngeke ngokushaye and akekho umuntu ozofa because these perpetrators batshela abantwana ukuthi ngizobulala umamakho or ngizobulala abantu so ingoma ekufanele sicule ebantwaneni bethu ukuthi akho nix ezoyenzeka mina ngiyikhala kho ngumzali wakho come to me ingabi into yokusabisa into embi yokuthi uyachikana noma uzobiza amaphoyisa umntana fanele abe comfortable ukuthi azokhuluma nathi okwesibili engacela kubo baba njengento ekhulunywe usisi nani abo baba they must be responsible for abantwana babo a lot of these kids they are hurt bayenza izinto ngokungazi kwesinye isikhathi that is why uthola ukuthi khona umntana oba false accused accused of rape, because you find umntana omncane ona 15 akana father figure ezomtshela ukuthi intombazana uyiharass or awuyibambi kanje, yena uyenza ngokuganga. Intombazana ithi no, aka understand umehluko ka no. And sometimes uthi maka kuleyo age le angabi comfortable ukukhuluma nomama yakhe. That's where a male figure, because nina niya understand ifeeling yokuba active ukuthi qala nina ngiyazi mina emntaneni omfana. So makaqala ba promiscuous, I think mhlambi umuntu wesilisa yakwazi umbona ukuthi lona ne ngathi sekaba nama odd feelings. Uyakwazi ukumdonsa umntana umfundise ukuthi I understand how you are feeling, ngiyakuthola, but bheka, this is how you control it. You don't have to force a girl. Nazi izinto ongazenza, because I ngeke ngibavillainize ama rapist or anything. It's wrong. I'm not saying it's right. Mara education ibalulekile so that we can prevent izenzo ezizo. And okubuhlungu ukukhulisa abantwana abafana. Mina nginabantwana abafana. Mangibabheka ngiyathuka ngithi bazophila ezweni whereby they just accused. Bama accused, especially abantwana abamnyama. So I constantly teach them. I have a talk nabo ngaso sonke isikhathi ngithi by virtue ukuthi nibamnyama ninecala la South Africa, so zigadeni izinto enizenzayo nendlela enikhuluma ngayo neindawo eniyifaka kuzo. It's important to have that conversation, and with the hope ukuthi masijwayela ngaphandle ukuthi sishaye or ukukhuluma nje nomuntu, abantwana bethu bazokhula banenhlonipho and bazazi, and singa separate abantwana. iSouth Africa mayiphume from ukuthi
kancane ntama kancane ne angazi ngicela ningifundise ukuthi ngizimute kanjani mina la, because kune hotman elifuna ukuringa nami la and angifuni ukuphuma kulo live, so ngizimute kanjani, angikho familiar nalento la kufanele
yabona kune mic lephezulu kuwe, clicka lapha ku or la ku main mawu live, uyabona nama options ukuthi uyagive kanani, then ngena ku ma settings,
ngena kuma settings. Okay, sure, yeah,
ngizibona imic yayivala. Check the mic.
Ayikho le option esho. Okay, yazini guys, sharp ne. Ngicela nibe niqhubeka ne. Mina ngizowakhipha ama headsets angeke nginizwe. Ngizoqhela la. Ngicela nibe niqhubeka nikhuluma. Aningiphe nje noma 5 minutes ngizobuya. Ningabe niqhubeka nikhuluma.
Okay, so just to go back, so kubalekile ukuthi la eSouth Africa si emphasize intweni ukuthi it's not only abantwana bamantombazana abama victim, it's also abantwana abafana rape victims. Si engage and sibafundisa abantwana bethu babafana ukuthi you don't have to be violent, you don't have to force yourself either entombazaneni or any other thing, because umuziforce eyintweni ugcina usenkingeni. And nanoma umntana akho ayibhuli abhulisha abanye abantwana, have a conversation nomntana, ungamenzi afeel bad, but umfundise how wrong it is ukuthi abe yile inhlobo yomuntu enje. And it's high time la eSouth Africa if ba checkisisile ukuthi wena uyi-rapist or khona into wrong oyenzayo, you must have a tag. As much as good wrong makufane nasemelika kube ne tag, maybe naloko kuzo reduce ile nkinga esibhekane nayo. Ngicela ukuphuma bahlali.
Na ingako mina bengisho vele ukuthi abantwana kahle kumele bafundiswe basesebancane, kube nama talks nakumantombazana nawe yabo, nasema ladies nabafazi kuyo konke, ukuthi lento accuse umfana nge-rape ayilungile ngesinye isikhathi. Manje abanye abantu abangenacala baboshiwe, abaye basezoboshwa ngenxa yokuthi umuntu wentombazane uyasuka ayetshwaleni abe nama expectations, then kusasa uyofuna i-5,000 or i-10,000 and bewe-consent ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah, khona kuyiqiniso lokho.
Into ebuhlungu ngathi kakhulu i-poverty guys, i-poverty yenza abantwana benze into abangacabangi ngayo. Inhlupheko mama iyebanga into eyiningi mana, inhlupheko guys. DJ, so enye into ufuna sikhulume ngayo la kuma-society kulabantwana I think last year ngingadibana nabantwana bebayingakhi bebayi-3 bamantombazana at the home but beze emngcwabeni omdala bekana-17 omunye bawayi-2 bana-11 kubanda bagodola bangifika ngemoto mangiyama ngiyababuza ukuthi kwenze njani bathi kubeze emngcwabeni wayikhothane njani basho nje isitori sabo yabo manje mina ngibazela ukuthi ngibabona bayagodola ngidayi ngoba niyagoda ngizonithatha mina ngishiye erenkini eJimmiston. So mangibathatha ngobashiya erenkini eJimmiston bafika erenkini bayachaza ukuthi ayichaza thina sinamali sendaweni sosoyithembisa. So mangiceda kubashiya nje solo taxi driver into yangizobuhlungu lapha ngiceda kubashiya athi lo ticket ngathi right. So masho nje inhliziyo yami ivele bebuhlungu ngiphinde ngidayi ngizobathatha ngibahambise noma bengasayi khona. Kodwa ngendlela sokhulumela ngayo ngiyabona abantwana bazoduka laba ngoba manje inkulumo seyikhunyala ukuthi ngoba abanemali nje ngenzeka ukuthi bazoyasamela nabangazikhona ngapha bana.
And I think maybe it's at this point. I think it's at this point whereby even as amadoda if umuntu ukhuluma kanjalo uthi mhlawumbe umntana seka right or sekakhulile imkhuze, don't laugh about it. It's not funny. Say ukuthi awukwazi ukukhuluma ngomntana kaso like umntwana lo, because sometimes a man would avoid having these like lama topics la umngani wakho angashaya umfazi orashaya ichair uzwe njengendoda na ukuthi actually lento le ayikho grand, but anifuni ukuba nawo these uncomfortable topics towards each other ukuthi umuntu but le oyenzayo i wrong. So even admiring umntana omncane, say it ukuthi umntwana lo thina abantu besifazane sesithi ha umntana omncane, so you must say it ukuthi umntwana ungahle cause lo muntu lona o is perpetrator feel ngathi oh it's okay ayisisonke and wena awuvumelani naye, you're not in agreement with that, isho ukuthi le I wrong, call it out, abona ukuthi akuvunyelwa naye and akufanwa naye.
Yabona guys mina kule topic le i2 cents yami engingayifaka ukuthi it's high time ukuthi as a society, black society in particular, kumele sibe nama talks are uncomfortable, I understand, amongst each other, are provocative, I understand, so that sokwazi ukubona change, sokwazi nokubona indlela yaphambili. Uyabona lamanga esiphila ngawo nalokuthi into makumele iphoswe ngakuwena iyiqiniso uyibona ioffensive kumele uyidefend. Guys, njengamanje kule topic yanamhlanje le kade ngisho ukuthi kulabo abasanda kungena mhlawumbe abangangizwanga ngisho lento othi ngiyiphinde. I-topic yanamhlanje it's about ama victims rage athola ugrapeka ngokweqiniso, like abantu aba experience igrape, ama victims angempela egrape, ukuthi sithule sithini society sidila kanjani ne healing yalabo bantu. Ugovernment wethu usifaka kuphi isandla ekuthenini labo bantu basizakale nabo, ngoba makwenzeka isigameko into eyenzakalayo ugovernment ufocusa kakhulu kulo owonile ekuthenini ku-incarcerate yena yonke into, wonke amehla abheka kulo owonile, kodwa i-victim ngaphandle isala ingazi yona ukuthi isala iqala ishone kuphi nempilo. Kuphinde futhi kuzoba yilaba bafowethu abagcwele emajele abaqanjelwa amanga ngegrape. Sithule sithini society sibona abantu besifazane besebenzisa igrape as ammunition towards amajita ekuthenini amajita wakhipha imali, amajita wenza ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi kusetshenziswa igama lani le grape. So mina u2 cents wami kuleyo topic leyo ngibazwile abafethu bayibekile nabo imibono yabo engihloniphayo. Mina engikubekayo kulento engishoyo manje kwethu esho bani bafethu esiphazamisayo mfethu esiphazamisa lo nomsindo mfethu. Ngithi mina nganza kwethu sekuyisikhathi ukuthi as a society abantu abamnyama sifundise and sikwazi ukuthi sibambe ama conversations uncomfortable. Abantu abafana no Rosemary baningi la ngaphandle, abanye bayangibuka njengamanje bangilalele, ya understand. Uyamazi umngani wakho ukuthi unenhliziyo yomuntu efana neka Rosemary, umuntu ongcolile, ya understand. Uthula uthini mawumbone lokho elimazizwe eqambela abantu abangagripanga, ngithi bagripile bengagripanga. Ubukwazi lokho wena ezumngani. Kuphinde futhi kuzoba uwe out yami. Mhlambe it's you yourself or umngani wakho or isihlobo sakho whoever lo phila nawe ku community ophila kuyona. Uyamazi ukuthi umuntu ogripayo and unawo ama victims awa gripa before. Uthula uthini wena? Lo monakalo kuyoze kube umonakalo ngoba nako mhla usushaya kini noma kwakhe egcekeni. Phela ubungozi ubona noma buseke kamakhelwane ukuthi bubungozi, akudingi ukuthi buze bungene ebaleni kwakho. So kuyo yonke into esidiscussayo namhlanje nesikhuluma around yona, ngicela sikhulume around leyo topic. And ngiyabezwa bafethu mina ngike ngapost video a few days back la ngikhuluma ngokuthi sikhule sazi ukuthi othisha ema high school, abanye even kuma secondary primary, othisha besilisa balala izingane abayifundisayo lapho and abathathelwa inyathelo. Kwezinye indawo leyo nto isiziphenduke into enormal, ekubeni leyo nto ilimaza umqondo wengane esakhula. Izoqala ukwenza ucansi iminyaka nengqondo ingakafiki, ilalwa umuntu ongayizala, ya understand. Kunobhuti abasebenzayo la ngaphandle abangebona othisha abasebenzisa imali ekuthenini bathenge lezi ingane eziphuma emakhaya ahluphekayo noma lezi ingane ezinabazali aba-absent empilweni zazo, bathenge lezo ingane ngemali egameni lothando, befakele lezo ingane ukugula, beshiye lezo ingane nezingane, bexabanise lezo ingane nabazali okanye nama-guardian akhona. Kuphinde futhi kuzoba othisha again besilisa bakuma secondary primary kanye nabakuma high school abathagetha lezi ingane zabafana ezikhulayo bayithenge ngemali, njengoba kune narrative yokuthi kuthiwa abantu abazitabane banemali. Bathenga lezi ingane eziphuma emakhaya disadvantaged okanye ezinabazali abangekho present empilweni zazo. Izingane ezibroken zithengwa ngemali, zi-introduce kulento yobutabane esifostwayo as isizwe or as abantu in general, esifostwa ngenkani through social engineering ukuthi siyibone ngazathi into enormal. Kungekudala ngangibona la ku social media enye out espana as i-nurse professional ya out yayikade lala izingane zase secondary primary zabafana. Sithule sithini as a community sibhekane nento ezinje? Ukhona umuntu omaziyo osondelene nawe empilweni yakho oparticipateayo kulezi zinto engiqeda ukuyibala, noma wena yourself uyiphatha lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo, uyaparticipate ekulaleni nezingane ezigqoka school uniform umdala? So mina ngithi sithule sithini as a society and isigwebo salabo bantu nokusizakala kwama victims. Asike size nama solutions nama ideas nama suggestions concerning leyo issue lengikhuluma ngayo.
Ebafu ngiyaxolisa ukuphazamisa. Yabona lo mbono wakho lo ovela ngawo nje manje. Ngiyavumelana kakhulu nawo ngoba sonke kahle kahle masothi ayibheka akekho umuntu mhlawumbe ungenamakhelwane, yabona. akekho umuntu ongenamakhelwane and sonke sinabo abantu esisondelene nabo mhlawumbe umngane ngapha uzobona umntana obeka ku-matric bekamazi nje okhula manje ozothi after 12 is lunch inkulumo ezinjalo ungamtsheli uhleke nje leyo nto ayishoyo ekubeni kwingane azi kahle naye ukuthi ikhulele ecangwayo yabo in as much as nosisi nabo nomama nabo uyayisupport ukuthi na izofika isilahla la or ipholo ime la izolanda umntana ilasibone endlini aqeda weekend angalelanga uyayibona kahle kahle inkinga shuthi kithi nje sonke ngenxa ukuthi nje asikhulumi.
You may depart.
Alright, ngicela siyabonga kakhulu nge-input yakho Ox. Ngicela ukupha uSisi Lerato i-chance. Sisi Lerato.
Dumela.
Likai.
Rateng. Ntse ke mametse the way o buang ka teng and
Yes.
with sympathy like ha re ra sheba our society now ne. Yo, I'll stop on mute mic. So ha re ra sheba hantle ne. It comes to, I'm sorry to say this, but it comes to gore e qala from the home. Mo golelang ko teng akere. It happens that you are underprivileged, like bana ba gago ha gone ba etsetsa 1, 2 and 3 and 4. You need to educate your kids first. Gore listen, this is how we're living. This is the money that you have in this house. Akere. Wa mo rutisa ngwana gore a ska fall under pressure because of hana ntho etsa moriri, hana diaparo, hana eng, and then it's gonna fall over gore ngwana a tsamaya a ye ko strateng akere. As a parent, a child comes in the house, o tshwere an iPhone. You never bought that child an iPhone. You do not ask. You do not say anything. But batswadi ba rona le bona, they also have an hand in this whole thing because of they have this thing ya gore ha ngwana a tswile, they need to come back with something ka mo ntlong to show gore o tswa ko monneng. Instead, what we need to do as a society to change this narrative, kaofela ko gore teach a girl child the skills. Teach a girl child at the age of 18, that's when you can start doing your nails, o etse moriri, o etse eng. Because of orusha ba ona ngwana le 14 years, o etsa nka manala, o etsa nka di lace wig. It's not a criteria ya ngwana because of we live in a world ya gore hona je men look at children in a different way. So as a parent, what are you doing to protect your child? You need to dress your child according to their age. Dress ngwana ka a flower girl's dress. This is a child. Because of onache, we cannot change the minds tsa bana. Bana ba out of way at all. So when as a parent, you need to do that. Secondly, coming to our justice system, watsamaya we are like we are court o tshwarisa motho gore it's rape. O rapile like o rapile ngwana gago ne. And then you go to court, it takes you years and years and years till ba kwebe motho o. And the point is that before ba to kweba motho o, the child goes through trauma because of that person who rapileng motho o le ena ona le family background e bad. They didn't grow up in a society gore a botsiwe gore motho wa mosadi o etswa so leso. So then it causes trauma from a child, especially batho ba rapang bana. How to rape ngwana in 6 years? No gore bophelo ba ngwana o it's out. I'm sorry for
Spanise grape ne. Uspanise libitso la grape because batlo kwalela life.
Okay, yes. So how to when you're gonna go through grape le ngwana in 6 years ne? Know that child's life is destroyed completely. How long to atlo khonang go yetsa ngwana o? And loruna as parents, we need to protect our children. And coming to the point that rona as parent re ngareng re babaza ntho tse wrong. Yonke into wrong e right ona ko South Africa. You get a 16-year-old roaming around the street because of they have nothing to do. We understand. When they come back from school, I'm not saying white people are okay, but Oshebe, Banaba Mahua, they have extramural activities that they do when they come back from school. At least go etsa ngwana ga a etse dancing, anything like adula kontlong abala dibuka a etsa something. We understand. Ngwana over discipline. You discipline your child. Listen, I earn 3,000 rand and I don't have more. I don't have more for you to go to your hair and do 1, 2, and 3, because of it ends up making a child falling under wrong. Because of pressure, it's always there. Lalo moholo, you're gonna fall under peer pressure. Peer pressure is not only for teenagers, but it's also in adulthood. Because of the minute you're gonna dress your child as an adult, motomong hamosheba auto consider an adult. Also coming to men, they need to learn hore a child is a child, no matter what. Hashebile ngwana abone a child, because of we don't know where does this thing come from. In the olden days, you could marry a 13-year-old child, but because of we were oppressed from Khal, and then the justice system still it fails us. Because of I don't wanna lie, social services yabona after wana rapile o for social worker, grape for social services, it doesn't work. You go the 7 times, 8 times, one thing over ruthless, one thing how would hide anything, and iba a continuous ongoing thing. Because if you come here on TikTok, first thing what you're gonna see when you go on TikTok, it's a 16-year-old laying half naked. As a parent, how can a TikToking yawana ha we sheba go khotsa galang mo o reng? Because of the minute o tlo rekela ngwana phone also hitting 18 years, you are introducing the child to another world. Rather buy a child a laptop, I tutor Excel, I tutor send the emails. Because of how to Kenya go TikTok, u bona something else different. U bona because of honestly speaking, like more repellent thing, we live in a world where it's very crucial. And we always play a big hand. I mean, maluma hachakile ato achaketse wena kontlung. Afita bona hona ga ari umntana khomuhle ngamshadalo. That's a red flag. You need to have a red flag. Or why maluma atlo bona ngwana o munyane abona msadi in a child? Ki mo tsonso ementeng gore malume go. Secondly, le rona ha re tloana le bontate ba bana o bana le boyfriend. How yet background check your boyfriend e pele? How check go boyfriend e o na le di charges tsa kae o entseng o tswa kae o etsa eng jwang? The next thing o thola boyfriend e repile ngwana. How sa bui gore ngwana etsa so because of their red flags. Ha qale nje ka o fitla anke ngwana a etse whatever. There's something o tlo ibonang gore the way that he looks at your child, it says a lot.
Eish ke o kwa ngwana mme ke o kwa ende ke leboga input ya hao e botlhokwa hampe ke leboga ke kopa ore re ukwele Manxumalo sawubona Manxumalo
Yebo baba njani?
Ngikhona mkhatshwa kunjani?
Inkosi yami network yami seyizoshaya izongishaya la ngiphakamisa ukubonga nje I'm at work already so ngiphakamisa ukubonga ngithi salute my brother ukuphakamisa i-topic sensitive kanje so I can't talk much ngiyabonga nje uNkulunkulu akubusise baba uNkomonde uchube kube strong.
Ngiyabonga mama ngiyabonga siswami. Thank you. Sibonga kakhulu mkhatshwa. Bobo.
Sanibonani panel but man ithi ngibonga isikhatsi sakho mina wethu onginikeze sona. Ngithanda ukubonga Chairman umsebenzi omuhle owenzayo. I know ukuthi akuso wonke umuntu ozokuncoma lokho. Mhlawumbe okwenzayo uzoba yiloyo naloyo but mfethu I've been listening ama content wakho. I'm happy the way uaddressa ngakhona isizwe mfethu. Ngithi no keep it up Brian. Siyajabula kakhulu. So ngene nje kule topic eqeda ukuyisho mfethu man. Mina ngembono wami ngibona ngathi lento leyo mangithi ngiyibheka imoshakala kakhulu iqala ku government wethu. Ugovernment wethu abaholi kunamalungelo abanikeza ingane wona la khona mangathi uyabheka ingane zabo azikho affected zi affectwa la kuma rural areas nje endaweni eziningi because bona ingane zabo ziyagadwa ingane zabo zinama bodyguard everything bahlala kuma suburb yonke into. Uma ungabheka ngihlala eWitbank mina la ngihlezi khona eWitbank kunendawo uthola ukuthi kunama res but they allow to issue a license yendawo yala khona kucishwa khona ilanga beze bazobuilda ba approve leyo license leyo umtshelo uma kune res bese kuba nendawo ekuthengiswa lezi zinto ezifana nalezo duze naleyo ndawo wonke ama res mawungabheka akwenzeki ingabi khona indawo la kucishwa khona ukoma ngaso sonke isikhathi. Yini inhloso yalento leyo? Each and every corner elokishini kune advertisement board, we understand. So umbuzo uthi inhloso yalento yini because kunengane ezisesikoleni. Ucabanga ukuthi lo mqondo wale yangane 17 18 years to 21 uqabanga kanjani uma kwenzeka izinto ezifana nalezo? Mina ugovernment ngibona uyasifeyila because lamalungelo la uma ungabheka kunengane zoyithola ina 15 years 14 years ngo1 ngo2 ikulezo ndawo umzali uma uyikhuza iyahamba epolice station ithi ubaba or umama uyangihlukumeza bayeza bemthetho kumele ukuthi wena uarrestwe enganeni yakho ukuthi wena uabuser ingane yakho. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo lento leyo iye isilimaze kakhulu especially thina bebala elimnyama because lezi zinto zenzeka endlaleni. Indlala ingenye indlela mfethu ingakwenzisa amaphutha. That is why ngithi if sizosaba ukubekezela indlala sihluleke ukuba patient kuyoba nzima mfethu because indlala ingenye indlela ikwenzisa amaphutha. Uma ungabheka ingane eziningi ziwela kwenye indawo la mfethu ungacabanga ukuthi zingawela khona because abanye bathanda izinto. Bengisaquestiona enye into mina ngengane ezihlala emarobotini lengane ezihayikayo la kulama robot. If ngumzali why ngingamelanga ngazi ukuthi ingane yami ihamba ngayiphi transport esikoleni? Mina I must pay the transport. I must communicate with the driver of the transport ukuthi ingane yami ifika ngasiphi isikhathi. Uma ngabe kunama exam kumele kuarrangewe ukuthi ingane ziya kanjani esikoleni because azi every day but ngizonikeza ingane imali ngithi ye transport. Ingane ifuna ukusave le mali yokuthi iyazi ukuthi weekend iyapi iyothenga ini nabangani bayo. Then bahlala emarobotini bayahayika bayofika endlini ngaboma 6 while umntwana uphuma esikoleni ngo3. I-distance yokuthi afike endlini it's less than an hour or an hour. Then wena as umzali umntwana kumele akutshela amanga ukuthi bengisesikolweni ngama extra lesson. Uyayisala emuva lento leyo uyibheke ukuthi ngaba kuyiqiniso yini na. Yes abanye bayiswa bogogo esikoleni bayiswa abantu ababhizi emsebenzini ngiya understand but uke usinikeze isikhathi uyibheke lento ukuthi na ingabe ingane yakho ihamba ngendlela eright ukuya esikoleni because mina kuya ngabe lengane ezila emarobotini
uyakhatha mnakethu ubuye phela
ama high school ngiyazwakala manje akhona ama high school elokishini akangene elokishini if siyahluleka ukuthi ingane yami ihambi edrobheni. So ngiphinde ngene nala esikoleni I think mina ngumzali ingane yami before iphuma endlini kumele ngiunderstand ukuthi ingane yami igcoke kanjani. Manje uyabona bathenga ama student print board pep wherever la bathenga khona bazowakhathisa iketi ziba zifishane abantwana babafana banciphisa amabhruku lapha enyaweni aba maskini because uprincipal uma azokhuluma mina ngizothi uprincipal uhlukubeza ingane yami kwamina ngumzali la endlini uma aphuma ingane yami ayiphuma kumele ngazi ukuthi iphuma igcoke kanjani. Le uniform le aphuma igcokile uniform eright ukuthi angaya esikoleni yini na. Ama SGB nama teacher kumele basebenzisane uma kunama meetings attend singabazali si raise lama issue afana nalawo kwabona othisha ukuya ngami ngibona ngathi this nowadays seba deserve ukuba ne uniform njengamaphoyisa nama-nurse nama-prison warder banama uniform so nabo othisha I think seba deserve ukuba ne uniform because the way sebagcoka ngakhona nabo abasagcoki ngendlela right concentration yabaleka kubantwana uma ngabe baseclassini because uyothola uthisha angagcokanga kahle understand nengane esikole ayigcokanga kahle so if othisha nabo bangazama ukuthi bagcoke kahle ingasinceda kakhulu mfethu so yeah bengifuna nje ukubeka 1 and 2 khona lapho mfethu ngibonga kakhulu nakubantu abakhona kupanel nakuma listeners mfethu ngicela create abanye ispace futhi
no ngiyabonga kakhulu emnakethu kunale point lokugcina olithachile man hey bafethu yabona ipoverty ne la conversations are thought provoking and ama conversations ukuthi mawumuntu ongakayiphili reality awukho ready for one ganza kwethu ipoverty it plays a huge role ekudestroying society yethu ngipost video la not so long ago ngikhuluma about othisha abalala nezingane zesikole and whatsoever baningi abantu besifazana aba-recheck mina after leya video bekhuluma ngama experiences abawatholile regarding le nto bengikhuluma ngayo abazali abazali ngiyabasaba yabona ukuhlupheka bafethu kunabazali abadayisa ngezingane zabo ukuze bathole impuphu kuthisha kunabazali abangcolile la ngaphandle ngane zakwethu and ukuya ngami labo bazali bekumele beboshwe yazi bafethu i-effect noma ukulimala emqondweni nasenhlizweni kwengane ekhulayo into ngeke uyibone ngoba yibi isibaze physical but lengane mayikhula ikhula ilimele ingaphilisani nabantu kungaphiliseki nayo like guys ani understand the damage enikhozayo ngokulala nezingane ezincane nibadala ani understand the damage eniyenza kwi society and understand ama potential wama future bright enwalimazayo ngokulala nezingane ezincane yazi ke kwaba khona umunye umfowethu la oke wathi vele lezi ngane siyazidla lezi ngane ezithanda izinto ebafethu njengoba ngimgaka ngina 19 kuyaphansi or ngina 20 kuyaphansi ngangingakazi lutho empilweni yebo lezi ngane zitshela ukuthi ziyazi zona but azazi lutho bafowethu musana ukuvumela ubushimane bunenze nibe iphathi ye-statutory rape ngane zakwethu yabona manje ngabhekile endaweni ezifana nakumaphalamende kanje kusondela abantu abafana no Liam Jacobs nalenye out ekuthiwa Solban ngiyamkhohlwa isibongo ama character alaba bantu abafana nalaba bantu ngiyawathanda because iwona ama characters obuilder isizwe ePhalamende lawayana bafowethu wonke lamanyala enwenzayo eniwaphendule kwaba into enormal namhlanje nisazo accounta for zonke lezi zinto into engichazayo ngecala le rape aliboli lengane oyizalisina 16 15 years 14 years iyothina 20 something years sibuyelwa ingqondo iyokhumbula ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu wangidlwengula wangirobha ubungane bami wangirobha ubusha bami lo muntu wengane zakwethu asikwazi ukuthula izwe lonakala ngoba sizosatshiswa hayi nalokhu uyosibulala yena ngeke afeni ubani oyophila inguna phakade kulomhlaba sesifikile isikhathi manje sokuthi siyeke ukuloke sishuka khotha izinto majita nina esenikhulile eniparticipate kulezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo namhlanje niyalilimaza izwe and in the media angazi le BCCSA bathini broadcasting what Commission of South Africa lento leyo broadcast yala eSouth Africa angiunderstand ukuthi lento kahle kahle yayikhandelwe ukuthi isebenze against izinto mhlambe eziyiphone kwi-National TV but ezinye izinto iyayiziba le proski lenkohlakala engaka epromotewa imedia lobutabana obungaka esigwinyiswa bona imedia ya understand lobo influence ingane zethu lobugebengu obungaka obubekwa imedia emahlweni omphakathi influence imedia youth kangaka nihloseni ngalento because ngiyazi njengoba ngiba ko live kanje ngiyazi ukuthi kuneziphathi mandla zama department ahlukene ezingibukayo la and angisoze ngaba neaccess yenu ngoba nginawo ama phone numbers enu and angazi ukuthi nine interest kumina kodwa madala side ngiyazi ukuthi nine interest kwi content engiyiphusha la nithule nthini ngazo zonke lezi zinto ezikhulunywa kulabo live laba ngoba naku kumele niprotect isikhwama kumele niprotect imali kumele niprotect itoho lenu ukuthi ingane emnyama like vast majority engane ezimnyama zilimala ukufika kuphi kwi country as a whole awunandaba nakho as long as ingane yakhe ifunda ko Saint Banibani yona inga affectwa yilento affect umntanami ofunda what e public school ethile bese kuthiwa siphumela obala sipreach ukuthi abantu ababalekela icrime abantu bawudlalela kude kangakanani necrime nine nisiphethe ezweni ningenandaba nezinto ezenzakala kubantu on the ground ama statistics ecorona ngesikhathi seCovid sasikhiphwa ngawo updated on a daily basis but ama statistics wengane ezidlwengulwa mihla namalanga kungabibikho abantu ababoshwayo kulawo ma situations ama statistics ezinto ezifana nalezo asinikezwa wona ama statistics alama unsolved murders agcwele kangaka emakhaya nasemalokishini la siphele la gcwele khona abantu abamnyama lama unsolved murders angaka enzakala kulezo indawo ama statistics akhona sinikezwa wona akekho ngasufakazi wami la kulento ukuthi ngesikhathi kusiphethwe iCovid noma sasikhohliswa kuthiwa kune Covid ngaleso sikhathi ama statistics abantu ababefa nababe infected nababe njani sasikhipha updated ngawo on a daily basis sihlulwa yini ukuthi kuma statistics affecta isociety ngalendlela njengalawo engiwakhulumayo ingane eziba subjected to prostitution zincane ingane eziba subjected to ukureshwa abantu aba different zincane how come singabi nama statistics anjalo kwi country bafethu ngeke ngayisho lento mina yabona abantu abasiphethe ni aware ukuthi kulabantu aba live abangibukayo la ku live njengamanje bakhona abantu abayiphathi mandla ngiyakwazi lokho ngikhuluma nani njengamanje sikhathele ngani zakwethu ama atrocities imancane bafu ama atrocities enzakalayo kusizwe simnyama kumele sithule kuze kube yinini mele sithule kuze kube yinini siloke sithena the other cheek ukudlwengula kwalengane lapha eMjondolo akukho kude nokudlwengula kwengane yakho njengoba usema suburbs njengoba ulapho kulawo masabab lawo etshela ukuthi ucomfortable impilo yakhe ingcono mawulapho awukho safe from yonke lento any ignorant yenzeka kwi society even namalokhuzana uthi ngisale sengibhodla lento fethu akafofayo man fuck how even nama-hearings ama-arm of services wonke from i-National Defence Force uza ko-SAPS uza kuwo wonke nale ngikuyo namanye reason why engakwazi ukudeliver i-service ebonakalayo kwi-society reason why like i-law abiding citizen yakule country ngeke izifile safe futhi ne-safety yayo ingayona into ebalulekile kumehlo kahulumeni. It's because kuwo wonke lama arm of services niqasha through nepotism, niqasha through ama-sexual favors, niqasha through ilokhuzane lento leyo yokubribe. Ingane ezinentshisakalelo ezidetermined nezinesifiso sokuseva i-country yazo zinikele ekuseveni i-country yazo. Ama-CV yalezo ingane ayalahlwa. Ama-CV yalezo ingane mfethu ayalahlwa engene leyo bingene ngenhlanhla. Ya understand? Ama-arm of services asephendulwa ama-firm emndeni nezihlobo nabangani nama-sexual partners eni. Ingane kumele ngabe zikulama fields, ingane kumele ngabe zinikele kulelizwe, ingane kumele ngabe zi-instilla i-law and order kwi-country, ziphenduka izibotho emalokishini, zingena kuma-drugs, zingena etshwaleni, zingena emajele. Lawe ningicasukelayo mangikhuza ukuthi zingayi kuwona. Mele sithule kuze kube yinini sibona amabomu enzakala phambi kwethu ngani zakwethu. Ayikho lento kusoloke staka sibitha around the bush. Enough, it's enough. And nalento yethu abantu abamnyama ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi makukhulunywa amaqiniso siloke sidlalisa pull up i-race card. Enough, it's enough. Buka wonke ama-state entities asaphethwe abantu bebala namhlanje wonke ayathrive asibali. Buka wonke ama-entities aphethwe yithina abantu abamnyama. Thina sama-master okudemolisha, okumosha. Asinayo nenhliziyo yokucabangela omunye umuntu ofana nawe omnyama. Instead of ukuthi ucabangela omunye umuntu ofana nawe omnyama, into yokujabulisa ukuthi unyathele ucindezele omunye umuntu omnyama. Njengoba sabafokazane kanje lama platform o TikTok yizona indawo ama voices ethu ayozwakala khona. Enough, it's enough manje ngani zakwethu. And akekho umuntu oyisitha somuntu omnyama ukudlula omunye umuntu omnyama. Wonke lama atrocities akusiyo ukuthi niqala ukwezwa la njengoba ngikhuluma ngawo kanje. Ni aware of lezi zinto kodwa ni ignorant towards lezi zinto. Kuyomele sithule ngoba sosatshiswa. Masikhuluma kanje sosatshiswa wengane zakwethu sinezingane, sinabashana, sinemndeni, sina yonke into ongayicabanga le. Ama generations azayo kumele alazi iqiniso lama platform lawo. Ngiyanicela ngane zakwethu akuthina sonke sizodansa la, akuthina sonke sizothweka la. Abanye bethu kumele balikhuluma iqiniso ngane zakwethu. Into engichaza ngalama platform lama video ayohlala unguna phakade. Sikhathele ukuthi siloke sithuliswa abafowethu ama topic afana nale topic engithintayo nje leya namhlanje. Siyakwazi ukubamba lama topic isidako utshwala emakhoneni siphikisane sizenza into ezihlakaniphile la. Ya understand? But akumaterialize lokho ngoba if ingazwakala ndingaziwa ama messes into osukuphikisana nayo nabantu, it doesn't matter. Lama platform ngani zakwethu musu kuncenga ukuthi uthandwa abantu ngamanga, khuluma iqiniso la. Yabona ngiyafisa ukuthi njengamanje ngisahleli neteam yami ngisadraft into eziningi phansi. Yabo angisuka umuntu oxhamazelayo. Baningi abafethu abangi-offera izinto abangi-offera zona. Ngiyayibonga nje bafethu ngisazo engage nani, angijahile ukuthi ngi-engage nani. But nginesifiso sokuvula i-foundation eyo include ama messes on the ground. Ukuthi swalwise lama injustices nama atrocities esifacane nawo as a society guys. Kubhlungu namhlanje bengifonelwe umunye usisi ohlangane nami khona la ku TikTok. Usereshwe more than 6 times guys. More than 6 times. From ekhaya endlini to abangani babangani ihlobo yonke into ongayicabanga. Mele sithule kunengane zabafana eRichard Kim la ku inbox. Zangitshela ukuthi abantu abafana noma stepfathers baba molesta. Mele sithule ngalawo ma topic because sothi masikhuluma ngalezo zinto kunabantu asibanyathelayo. wengane zakwethu isikhathi sokudlala siphelile manje. Yabona manje ngane zakwethu ngifuna ukunenza nibe aware. Ngiyazi ukuthi majority yenu niqala ukungifollowa ngendaba yalento etrendayo. But ingqondo yami nenhliziyo yami ngendlela engakhiwe ngayo mina akupheleli kuleya topic okuyiyona enidonsile abanye benu njengoba nifika la. Angeke ngihlale ngikhuluma ngetopic yasejele every day. Ngikhuluma ngezinto ezisiaffectayo kuma live wami each and every time mele ngikhulume ngento different. But namhlanje bekuyiyo le engiyikhulumayo ngane zakwethu and ngisazofisa ukuthi siqhubeke nangelinye ilanga. It's so unfortunate ukuthi angeke ngihlale ilanga lonke ngiku live kanje. Namanje kunento eqhamukayo kumele ngiattend. Ngizonishiya yabo. But nje bengifuna ukusho isikhathi bafethu sokuthi as ama citizens ale country, ma citizens sine freedom of speech mele siyi practice. And leyo freedom of speech I include inhlamba. Ukuthuka abantu ukuze ipoint lakho lizwakale akukona ukuhlakanipha lokho. But ukukhuluma kwakhe iqiniso kungenza abanye abantu becabanga ukuthi uthuka inhlamba. Ngoba abanye abantu abazwani neqiniso. So ingane zakwethu kulabo abangilandelayo ngifisa ukunitshela ukuthi ayikho into engikhulume ngayo kule platform. And nabantu abasiphethe kulelizwe abaloke bengilandela kulama live bengafuna ukuvela obala ukuthi bangilandela kulama live ngiyezwa ngosizwile abanaziyo nabangaziyo ukuthi ngiyangilandela madala side ngiseza nakunina akekho umuntu engizothi ngiyosaba ukukhuluma ngaye ngiseza nakunina wonke lamange nisiphilisa wona ngisazwa addressa la aniholi lima aniholi iphukuphuku njengoba ngisho ngithi thina abanye abafokazana indawo yo CP voice nendawo yosenza sizwakale yiwo lama platforms angizelanga ukuzodlala la elami page lizolapha lizoshintsha impilo yomunye umuntu ophilayo. So nje ngane zakwethu ngiyaxolisa ukuthi nginivale angeke ngisaniphi isikhathi njengamanje ngingazange ngisamuphi ithuba lokukhuluma ngixolele bafowethu kumele ngiphuthumele somewhere.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba Nkomonde ngesikhathi sakho. Siyabonga. uNkulunkulu akubusise ungadini lo okushoyo okufisayo nangenhliziyo yakho ukuthi isikhathi sokuthi amaqiniso akhulunywe isikhathi asibuyele emuva siyaphambili amaqiniso mawakhulume. Siyabonga.
Thank you sister. Thank you bafethu kusasa ne.